Hi. Today we will explore the new sky replacement feature in Photoshop CC 2021. First we need a picture with sky background. Download the image. After saving the image we will import the image to Photoshop. After importing the image to Photoshop, go to Edit menu and select the sky replacement. It replaced the sky automatically. Here you can choose different skies from default presets. The type of skies are blue skies, spectacular skies, and sunset sky presets. Choose back and forth until it fits on your foreground. I will choose this sky. Select Sky Brush. Here in foreground adjustment, increase the lighting adjustment up to 100. And increase the color adjustment to 100. You can also import skies from this preset settings. At final step, select Output to New Layer and you are done with replacing the custom sky or default sky. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe or follow.